Okay, so with it being here, don't like the size of it. I'm gonna go to file. That's Eris and my husband getting ready to leave, I think. Hopefully. I'm actually gonna take away this color overlay so it can be black. File, free transform. Get bigger. Spread it out a little more. More. Okay. Solidify that. What if I don't do the Scorpio at all? I know zodiac is a big thing for people. I'm actually a Scorpio, but um, I don't really care that much. Let's see. I'm gonna take. Let's see how this looks. And y'all, this is a part of design. I thought this was gonna be a super short video, but there's just nothing that I necessarily liked. I didn't necessarily like it. So, okay, y'all. So I'm back here. I did take you probably back to the part where you were last. Okay, yeah, so this is probably this small. I am gonna actually bring in my background because this is actually how it will look on a t-shirt. I typically don't design that way, but getting closer, like I couldn't see my, what do you call, my drop shadow on this effect, how it would look. Um, but I may just cancel the whole, no, because I need it, I need it, I need it. Bringing the effects back, going to go to file, free transform to make them a little like taller, make it more like that. So yeah, center that. I don't know why, but I just like the wording at the feet. So I'm gonna make this smaller. Free transform. Smaller. Like again, I like the look of standing on letters, you know, just that depth of everything. So I'm gonna click that and yep. This drop shadow on this is kind of bring it in kind of like that. And again, this is why it's important to see and look real time at your design, because here it didn't give me the impression that it did here, basically. Again, in my opinion, this is Photoshop. I learn something new every day. And again, that's why I would like to do Photoshop Fridays, because it's not as intimidating as you think if you have the mind frame of, I'm going to get in here and I'm going to figure it out. So I like that it's my birthday. I'm going to bring the Scorpio out of the Scorpio space. File, free transform. Free transform is literally one of my favorite things. This keeps it in perspective, in proportions. I'm saying it right. It keeps the ratio 1-to-1 basically, or whatever it is to whatever it is basically. If you don't want it that way, like if you want to make it much longer, then you just unclick that and go from there. It's my birthday. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I would like this because I like for you to be able to tell what the Scorpio, I mean, what the sign is no matter what. So this is the part where, I moved it over because here's obviously the curve and even her little curve, but I need to make it clear where you can tell what this is. Here, I mean, I don't think you really get that vibe. But here, again, for me, it's perspective, it's preference, it's all of that in design. There is no right or wrong way. It's just all a matter of preference. I like her like that. However, I might bring in a new girl. I'm gonna bring in a new girl. No, I'm gonna make them twins or something. It's our birthday. They only have that one hip position. It's red. Now I will say she does give you several options, honey. Honey. Okay, where's the other sister? So let's see. So they're basically the same person. File. Free transform. I'm gonna try to finish this before my husband and Eris get back. With tacos. Again, what I did with the other one to make her a little smaller is for her to smart object. So now I go into free transform her. I'm gonna say it's our birthday. Ooh. I just created a little narrative here. Little story, little twin sisters. Since twins are now a part of my life, y'all. So I'm gonna just add a drop shadow there. 15 already has a drop shadow. However, this drop shadow is more what I prefer. Do her like this. I'm gonna see if I can just flip her file. Edit, free transform. I'm just gonna do a flip. It didn't change much. It didn't kill my vibe. So I can even bring them closer now. But I don't know who I've made these people into, or, of course their feet can't overlap. So again, that's a part of design that's kind of knowing that would look crazy like this, like that obvious, yeah. Anyways, hopefully that's like charity, but some stuff in design is like, okay, that's a no. So these are the sisters. It's our birthday. There's Scorpios. So I can even make this Scorpio back here smaller. Um, let's see, or do I want to make it wider? And you do that, I'm holding shift on my keyboard and spreading it. You know what? I'm going to take what I'm holding. I'm going to just make it disappear. It's our birthday. What if they're not Scorpios? Let's see. This design has changed so much. Placing better. Let's bring in these little balloons that I um did the other day. Not did the other day, but brought in. What are these balloons? Go to downloads. I'll figure it out. Oh, here we are. Here we are. It's a no name. That's why, guys, name your stuff. Place it in here. Make it smaller, much smaller. So yeah, there's no real way that this is going to, but I'm about to do this right now like this. You know, like holding balloons, but no, because they would need to be much smaller. Let's see. I'm gonna go back, placing that here. Place it, place it. Retransform. Okay, just take them all the way behind everybody. That didn't do. I let it go too soon. Nope, villains are gone. Let's think. It's our birthday. I'm liking them positionally. They do have two different drop shadows, which is kind of problematic. They do have two different drop shadows. So I'm going to delete 15 and then bring 15 back in. I know there was a different way to go about it, but whatever. Just type in 1 5. Come on, 1 5. And make her a smart object. Edit file. Edit, free transform. Not the same, but different yet. Okay, I'd say so. Okay, then click it. And this should automatically give me the same drop shadow that she has. I guess it did. It's just different because of all this extra hair. So they're both here. And I like, oh, let's undo this. I have to look at it a little bit of a bigger picture. I'm going to come with 15. This is not really doing it for me. I think this has gone from a Scorpio shirt to let me just bring in some color explosion PNG. Something like this. Yeah, actually this is going to be the exact one. Bring you in, file, place embedded. Yeah, I mean, I'm just not gonna make it. I just can't force it. I can't force myself to force something. I can't force anything. Keep in mind that you don't want to have like your design going past the page because it's gonna look crazy. When you print, it's gonna stop and cut that off. So take it to your max size that you can, like here. I'm cool with that. Put it in the middle. If you want much bigger background, you're gonna have to make these girls smaller. Okay, so they probably are going from twins to just a solo act. Sorry, you. Sorry, you. Bringing you to the middle. Shirt is going back to my birthday. This is it, y'all. This is the shirt. This is the look. In print. Thanks for watching, guys. First of many.